Really cute details on the towels. Look at that. Other lights. She did say it's free, didn't she?
Yep.
I didn't show you this. I've just discovered it. The size of this balcony. Well, hello. Welcome back to another hotel room. A new place to show you in Turkey, down the road from Trendy Lara, where we were before. This room is mind-blowing. Look. So we've just arrived and it's night time. It's like 9-ish or something. We're 3 hours ahead. Let's take you around while I'm looking like a smurf. So this hotel so far is looking mind-blowing. So make sure you stay back for the other vlogs. The television is in this big mirror, which is across here. How crazy is that? The room itself looks huge. They did give us a really nice room, and I do like those neon lights up there. Now they light up these little logos that we've got in the window, and if you look outside, look what's out there. So we've got a lovely pool, and apparently there's a sea view. But we won't be able to see that until the morning, so that's interesting. Let's go into the bathroom. So just outside of the bathroom is this big, long, lovely mirror. We've also got a safe and some slippers and things like that there. It looks like they do your laundry as well. And places to hang your things inside, and a few coat hangers, spare pillows, so that's all good. And into the bathroom, as I expected, we do have body lotion, shampoo, conditioner and shower gel, shower bonnet as they call them. I think these are like, I don't know what they are. Hygiene bag, makeup cotton. Don't know what makeup cotton is. And probably some cotton tips there for your ears. Really cute details on the towels, look at that. So we've got this little sink area, which is cute. Somewhere to put your toothbrush, hairdryer. I'm always lost about the hairdryers. So we've got that, and we've got one of those mirrors there as well. Obviously toilet, got the bidet stuff in there for if you want to use that. And then there's a bath and a shower. So this looks fairly nice, very clean. Can't see any need for any grumbles. I like the decor, looks really nice. So let's see what else we can find out. Let me turn the other lights on, Nathan. Oh, that's a cute light. Oh, look at that Mangavat waterfall, Mangavat. We went there, didn't we? Got a whole video on that, guys. And then little other lights. Really weird that the telly is in the mirror. The bar is free, the mini bar. The lady just told us that. She did say it's free, didn't she? And that's got a few nice bits in it. That's amazing. I don't think the fridge is very cold. I might have to turn that up a little. And then what have we got here? Some little sachets of Nescafe, which is what I like, and some creamer. Some tea. Yeah, lovely. Water. There is room service and stuff like that. Tissue, little box of tissue. It's all these little details. Really, really nice. Really nice. So I'm excited for our stay here. I hope you will continue to watch the rest of the series. See what we get up to. See what the rest of the hotel is like. We're mainly here to look at the hotel. Probably not going to be doing a whole lot else other than loads of exercise. Going on the beach tomorrow. We're going to go and have a little look. There's a big jetty that goes out and you can get a cabana on the end of it. Now the temperature is around between 8 and 15 degrees at the moment because it's end of January. But nonetheless, we're going to show you what it looks like. So we're going to head to the bar to get a little drink and chill out after our lovely trip across to here. See you in the next one. Bye. I didn't show you this. I've just discovered it. The size of this balcony. How amazing is that? It's really fresh out here. I'm excited for this. Hear that live music? I'm excited. Bring it on.